Welcome to Libresva Teck Clips. I'm Jenny, and today we are going to talk about sending samples to be analyzed by our technicians. Sometimes some analyses may return incorrect results, and emails that should have been delivered are blocked. These messages are called false positives. Conversely, if a spam message is delivered, this is a false negative. When faced with this situation, it's very important that our technicians have access to the message so they can analyze it and then make the necessary changes to prevent this situation from occurring again. To do this, the user must send us a sample. Sending a sample is done using the Report As function. You can select whether the message is considered bad or good. Once the sample is sent, it will be analyzed by our technicians who will evaluate the actions needed to improve the analysis. It's not necessary to open a support ticket every time a sample is submitted. We don't provide feedback on samples received, but we guarantee they will be analyzed as quickly as possible. If you want to let us know that you have sent a sample, you must always attach the message ID of the sample you sent to the ticket.